Hello everyone. Today, we will discuss the Odoo Remember Resize List Column module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Here, under the Apps section, we have to make sure that our Remember Resize List Column app is installed and activated. Then, we'll move to Settings, where we have to turn on the basic setting for the functionality, which is named List View Column Resize. We have to turn it on, and then we'll click on Save. After that, we can adjust the width of any column. For example, if I have to adjust its size like this, the creation date size like this, and let's say the company size, I have to shrink it like this. That's all. It's done. Even if we refresh the page, it will still look like this. Even if I close it and revisit the page, and we go to our quotations section, it will still look the same as we have adjusted. And if we turn off this setting which we enabled earlier, it will return to the default Odoo core column sizes, as you can see, like this. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.